They hurt you. And they never said sorry. You stayed awake crying, thinking justice will heal you. But sometimes, peace doesn't come from payback. It comes from letting go. Because Allah says, the recompense for an injury is an injury equal to it. But if a person forgives and makes reconciliation, his reward is with Allah. Forgiveness isn't weakness. It's one of the hardest things your heart can do. Anyone can hate. Anyone can hold a grudge. But it takes a believer's heart to say, I leave this to Allah. Every time you forgive someone who wronged you, you free yourself before you free them. You stop letting their actions control your peace. And that's when Allah begins to heal your wounds. In ways no apology ever could. Forgiveness doesn't mean you forget the pain. It means you choose peace over poison. And here's the beauty. Allah Himself promises, your reward is with me. He doesn't even specify how big it will be. Because divine rewards are beyond what your mind can imagine. So forgive, not for them, but for your own soul's freedom. Comment, Ya Allah, help me forgive and move on. Save this video as a reminder that peace starts with forgiveness. Follow for more Quranic healing reminders.